Okay, let's start off with where am I? Let's go second level. Okay. So I think that so I ended with these vent lines. Okay. What I'm gonna need to do is, so my hot water, cold water, let's see what we got. Okay, so the hot water, cold water is there. I think that so what I need is I need 3 lavatories in this restroom, right? So I'm gonna, let's create similar and put that right there. Instant origin does not lie on host face. What? Oh, what? Wait. What's going on? Okay, let's try this again. So I'm gonna attach, or I'm gonna create a similar. I don't know why it says create similar. It's I'm gonna copy this lavatory, but I want to put it on this vertical face. Instant origin does not lie on host face. Now, why am I getting none of the created elements are visible in floor plan? That's this plumbing overall, right? View. You may want to check the active view. That's the active view. And visibility settings, as well as any plan regions. Check the active view as parameter. Plan regions, visibility settings. Well, I'm gonna. So I don't understand the visibility is the same. Is there a plan region here? Let's see. View, and I think that my plan region is going to be modify. Nope. View. Plan region. I don't have a plan region here. There's no plan region. Let's check. Okay. Annotate P to go all the way down to plan region, right? So my plan region is on. Okay. What is Revit doing? Let's try another fixture. I'm gonna create a similar and put a urinal on this wall. Original order does not allow on host face. Why is that doing that? Let's try the water closet. Man. Instance will lose. Instance does not lie on host face. That is not true. Well, wait a minute. Let's take a. Let's look at this section view. Okay. On the second level. Now, why? That's my wall. That's a base constraint. Okay. Okay, everything looks good on that. And I'm gonna go, let's go to the first level. Let's see. So if I have this, this is not making sense. So if I want to create a similar laboratory and put it on any vertical, it should, yeah. Now, why is that one working? And on the second level, it is not. So, yeah. This is what happens when you're working. So I'm not gonna pretend that everything is going to be nice, right? Because when you're working, this kind of stuff happens. So why is it that it's on the, I can create a similar on the first level and not on the second level? Well, I could do this, copy, right? And move this guy up. What's he gonna say? Now let's go second level. I don't understand that. So if I get here and create similar, I think that it might be giving me an elevation. Create similar. Properties. Elevation from level. Okay. This is, what if it says level 2, right? Anything? Level 2. Level 1. Let's do this. I'm going to change this scheduled level to level 2. These two also. I'm going to change these to level 2. Let's see if that makes a difference. Well, I should just go ahead and do it. That says level 2, and if I right click, okay, so it looks like that might have been the problem. You see, you got to go through these things. Let me try this one. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that was the problem, right? So you see, that's why you have to it's not all gonna be 1, 2, 3 up. You know, we can go to the next. There's always gonna be something that is not gonna go as planned, right? So you go through this type of exercise, because what I could have done was to pause it, right? When these, let's just use this one. Let's change it back to 1, level 1. Right, and then I'll go over, say, okay, create similar, put it here on the second level, and it's gonna tell me, it says, dude, your instant origin does not lie on host face. That's not true. What it should say is that you need to change the schedule level from level 1 to level 2 if you want to put it on level 2. But it don't say that. It said instance will lose association to host. Okay, and then you go through this. Okay, let's see what this one says. Now that we know how to solve the problem, right? Let's see what Revit is telling us what we need to do. Okay, none of the created elements are visible in floor plan 2 dash plumbing dash overall view, right? That's this view. That's this view. That's this floor plan. Okay. You may want to check the active view. It doesn't say you may want to check the schedule level. You may want to check the schedule level. Okay. You may want to check the active view, its parameters, and visibility settings, as well as any plan regions and their settings. When in fact, the problem is you may want to check the schedule level. Okay? So we know that that was a problem, right? Okay. So we come over here and we say, okay, well, I want to create a similar, and I want to put it right here. You know, okay. So that's the problem. I don't know. Well, the error message, yeah, the error message is not correct. Well, it is correct, but it's not. Maybe maybe somewhere in, right, maybe somewhere in here you can find the problem. Instant does not lie on host face. Oh, okay. Well, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't. Okay. So, or you can look at this and say, none of the created elements are visible, right? You may want to check the active view. What's the active view? That's the active view. Its parameter, da-da-da. So maybe the answer is in here. But it should say you might want to check the properties. Right? The properties. You might want to check the properties. You may want to check the active view. That's fine. The active, it's okay. Its parameters. Active view and its parameters. That's the okay. So the parameters are going to be, okay, this is the active view, right? And the parameters are in here. It should say properties. Okay, the active views, properties. Okay, active view, properties. So we know that. Now I'm gonna go here. See, that should be all of this. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna select here, right? Filter out everything but the plumbing fixtures, so that including this guy, and we want the schedule level to be 2, right? Let's try that again, because I don't know why I grayed out. I guess it's because the here and okay. Schedule level. So some of them were probably 1, some were 2. So I'm gonna make all of these 2. And here, yeah, that's good. Huh. Okay, but by default, I guess, I don't know. But we're gonna leave that like that. So now that we have our proper, what was it? Parameters? Yeah, our proper parameter of level 1. Okay, I didn't change that one, huh? So that's gonna be 1 and 2. So it's gonna be grayed out, or I'm gonna have to select, right? So that would be 2, and we're good. So now I can come over, right click, similar, and we can, am I making, oh, okay, that's fine. And another one is 3. Okay, so now that we know that if we get that message, you just have to, if it doesn't, but read what the warning says and try and figure it out, right? So I guess it just takes practice, to kind of know if something is going to work or not. But you always want to just if you and you're going to come across it's just not going to work all the time, so you have to figure out stuff. I want to try something here. Okay, let's try going down into the family file and choose from the browser this fixture. This, you know what, I shouldn't even do this, because I know this is going to work, right? And it's coming from the family, and the family don't know that it's on the second level, third level, fourth level. So if from the family, okay, it's going to go here. Yeah, now that was supposed to work. That was supposed to work. Uh-oh, I didn't want to do that, but anyway. Nope. Okay, so we have coming from the family of fixtures, or in the browser, your families, it should work. But just when you're in this, I don't know, when you're in these views, and looks like when you're copying and pasting and similar, just have to, and if it doesn't work, just have to figure it out, just have to figure it out. I think that what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just draw a detail line here and go here, and let's do 30 inches. That's 0, 3, 0, enter. Go down, 0, 3, 0. Okay. So now, because that's the minimum that our laboratories can be, right, from each other. So I'm going to line up this, that, and make another alignment here and there. And let's just make sure that we are all on the same page in terms of the height, right? 1.7, was that 1.7? 210. 210? All of these should be 210, right? 210, do the same here. 210, yeah, okay. Okay. I'm gonna leave it at that. That was fun. Oh man, okay. So I'm gonna leave it at that. So I think I'm gonna call this one troubleshooting when things don't go right. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I'll talk to you guys later.